Welcome inside a manufacturing facility dedicated to the production of professional cutting hand tools. This factory focuses on pruners, loppers, hedge shears, and grass shears, where precision and consistency are essential. Each tool begins with careful component preparation, followed by hands-on assembly by trained workers. Here you can see blades being aligned, handles fitted, and cutting mechanisms checked to ensure smooth operation and clean cutting performance. Every step is designed to balance durability, comfort, and control. In the sample room, different tool designs, sizes, and cutting types are displayed, allowing buyers to evaluate options before moving into production. The facility also supports multiple packaging solutions and private label preparation, helping brands adapt tools for their markets. From assembly to final packaging, this factory is built to support OEM cooperation, stable supply, and long-term partnerships with global distributors.